All right, here you go. Good luck. Jim Rayray going to go box 2 and 3 and 4, he says. So 2, 3, and 4. Case hit every box. Imagine it. You opened some other stuff. You don't even. You can open 10 cases of this stuff, and you don't even get a Joe Montana autograph. Here, you guaranteed a Joe Montana autograph, and the highest numbering is 25. All right, here we go. Good luck. I think 25, right? It's 25, the highest number. I think I looked. How much is... You don't have to pay me. If you did, we'd be trying to struggle and fill Jet Mints. And boom! Joe Montana. What's this one numbered to? 50, sorry. Look, it's numbered at 50. Highest is numbered at 50. Ah, another one, man. This case is loaded. Loaded with Joe Montanas. Jersey? No jerseys. Oh, 19 of 50. Oh, that was his number in KC, right? What was the best hit out of that one, Darren? Boom! Joe Montana again. What is this number 2? 4 of 10. PSA 10. Yeah, I passed on my box. Big time. Oh, yeah. All right, here we go. Good luck. Come on, Joe Montana autograph. I'm calling a Joe Montana autograph. Ready? Calling a Joe Montana autograph. Boom! Joe Montana. Called it. Oh, that was out of the bag, though. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Hopefully it's not squished. Uh-oh. Oh, it's all along the card. Oh, it's the whole card. I can't move it. I can't move it. I can't move it. It's stuck in there. Because it's stuck down here. And it's stuck all along the edge. Show them the video too. Thank you, thank you. Don't freak away another one. Alright. There you go. You might want to flip it or whatever. I don't want to pop it open or whatever.